Diba? Pamilyar ang tono na?
Kinakanta ni Dayan yan eh.
Who's already on my bed? Why are you... Yeah, you finished already.
Bawat pala sa...
You put on more makeup, didn't you? Yeah, you did. Sino to? Oh no, it's later.
Oh, may gulay.
Oh, may gulay.
Oh, my gulay.
Oh my gulay.
May automatic na palabas. Depende sa relax yan.
Lula, hindi mo kung nakapokus ang program.
Tapos ka na, di ba? Sa TV?
Hindi ako
Sa CR. People are lining up. Oh yeah, you better go. Yeah. You should work Kuya says.
Ang manok ni Bigel, laipit ang isang paa.
Dapat lang. Mas bagay sa'yo. Siya, ako na!
Hi!
You?
Oo.
Makeup?
Ano pang may share mo sa akin, Tal?
What are you doing?
What's wrong with you, man?
No!
Why?
I can do it myself.
Shit.
Maganda kasi.
You know how to put on makeup?
Girl, please.
Gumawa ka ng
You're my guinea pig.
Gumawa ka ng system na. Kanyari, ito yung lupa mo. Diba? Yan ang lupa mo.
Sigurado na apat na yung si Tim.
Ha?
Pero sigurado
Gumawa ka ng kulungan na pwedeng...
Ano?
Kanyari, lagyan mo na ng lupa.
Ano magpaganda todo?
Ganda naman!
Rocker.
pakarakal talaga. Yung pero gusto ko sa babae, rockstar.
No.
Oo, bakit? Basta ako ba yung totoo pag sa babae, rockstar?
Sinubukan ko lang.
Ginong.
Ganda. Ah! Pre, puno. Buguta na yung pana. Bilis na. Bango pa.
Sige nga. Tin. Rock and roll ka ngayon ah.
Yun ang gusto ko sa girl. Backers. Yes. Ang gandang pinaan.
Kaya ano naman gusto mo sa lalaki?
Look. Oh. Hindi mo, nasabi ko lang yung tipo ko.
Si Mama Luz, kain ng kain ngayon, oh. Mama Luz, kain ka ng kain ngayon.
Nalamig ako eh.
Kunyan lang ang siyang...
First week, yan sila.
Ano yan?
Basihan.
At yan lang ang siyang...
Dahil.
Ano? Sa kiwag ng mag...
Alala?
Dasal ko lang sana.
Ligaya ka.
Kahit di madali para sa aking aminin. Malas ang week ko ata.
Sama-sama lahat. Lalaki.
Hackers. Oo, oy. Si Joya. Gigoy, buksan mo ang pinto.
What's this?
Joya, tapos si
Makeup.
Luz.
Can I borrow some? I mean, have some?
What?
Can I have some?
Yeah.
Can I take mine off? Can I have some?
Ayoko na tumingin sa'yo.
Experiment.
Ayoko na. Kuya, pahingi akong picture ng ex ko.
Can I experiment on me?
Kuya, pahingi akong picture ng ex ko.
Jogoy.
Ayoko na sakita. Ang ganda, laglag yung brief ko. Woo! Alam mo, gusto ko sa babae rockers.
Rocker.
Rocker.
Rockers! Ah!
I don't know what's happening. What's happening?
Akin na yung mano ko.
I'm being crazy.
What's he saying?
He said he likes girls who look like a rocker.
So you?
Just being obsessed.
What?
He's being obsessed.
Because my heart is very high voltage. Ano sa Tagalog yun? Sino?
Ano ba? Diyan muna, wait.
Mga Luz. Dito ka. Space out ko palagi.
Ano yung pizza na yan?
Wisit ang pipi na yung pahamak sa buhay.
Ate Wendy!
Baka muna.
Akala ko binutas mo si Pete.
Hawakan mo muna. Hawakan mo muna, Slater. Pero ma.
Ate Wendy! Akala ko binutas mo na si Pepe.
Ewan ko ba? Ba't nabuo na naman?
Princess, 20 minutes yun?
Sure. Baka lang, mami.
Nangyari?
Abot mo nga, darling.
Opo, ito po ay. Yung nose is ay.
Ang ganda na ito.
Ayaw ko nung pumingin. Pre, matulog na ako.
Aga pa patingin eh.
Pre, patulog na ako nito.
Oh my gosh, my eyebrow hair.
Bakit?
Yeah, I made it blonde.
Anong problem?
It's gone. No, it's just... remember we put on something, they put on something. So this isn't my eyebrow hairs? No. This is my eyebrow hairs. Look at that. Not. Look at that. Okay. I told you. Why is it coming off the face? Somebody eyebrow implant. I think I look good with eyebrows. Where is he? Can you see your makeup? It's so nice. Oh! Let's go out!
Go
out! Labas daw tayo. Tara na.
Oh, sorry.
I think you guys have to teach Miguel to stop, to not be obsessed.
Yeah.
Why is he
Yeah.
Obsessed.
Where'd you get your cotton?
Right?
Not.
Right?
What?
No words. No? You don't agree?
Hello? Sorry, I was trying to listen to...
You don't agree
Agree for...
that you should teach Miguel to not be obsessed?
Obsessed. Not to stalk people.
Yeah.
Joke.
I don't think it's doing any good.
Papi, may tissue kayo?
He's cute like that.
I know.
Around.
I know, but he's cute. But
It's not healthy.
it's not healthy.
Oo nga, no? Bagay sa'yo.
Kahit ano ata bagay sa kanya, kahit taong grasa ka pa, maganda ka. Ayop ka.
Yung mukha nila.
What's the problem?
Anong nangyayari? Ewan ko dyan. Saan yung kape ko, papi?
Ha?
Yung kape.
You don't want to see how beautiful she is?
I think that means the things. No, he was watching Ten and ran.
Ano niya?
May fans club ka na, Ten. Nandito ka pa.
Nag-experiment lang naman ako.
He makes me laugh. He's so cute.
It's because parang hindi pa talaga niya
No,
na-experience.
yeah. I remember the first girl that I was in love with. I was so obsessed with her.
Yeah.
Like, right?
Oo.
But the thing is, I learned the hard way.
Everybody
No one
does.
told me, like, you know, that I shouldn't do this because it's not healthy. Yeah, it sucks.
I think everybody learns the hard way.
But it sucks, though, when you actually learn. Because,
Hay ka ng bago.
like, for 6 months or something, you just
Nagano lang ako.
How about you? I was like that for half a year.
Kala ko wala nang ganap.
I do that pa rin until now. Like,
So now, I don't know. It's not now.
I mean, not to that extent, pero I go all out. You know?
I remember every day after school, I used to go to my room and cry.
When you broke up with your first girlfriend?
No, we weren't dating. I just.
Oh, that's a different story.
Yeah, that's
I'm saying,
the same.
If it's a
It's
girlfriend.
the same.
Yeah. It's a different story.
I kept telling her.
I was talking about relationships now.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'm talking about, I've been the same as the girl.
Yeah, because right now,
It's only a one-way relationship.
It's right now. It's for. I'm sure for you, for him. It's like, okay, if you don't like me, then you don't like me.
No, but yeah, he's in love. So it's just good.
Si Tin kasi, it's her fault.
Yeah.
Tin, pwede mo gamitin?
It's so pretty.
Tin. So pretty, no?
Oh, you keep hiding in and out.
Tulog ka.
Starstruck.
Then you're gonna break his heart.
Ito talaga pareho.
Nauntog.
Ano na? Alam mo? Tignan mo.
He's biting the chicken. He's biting the chicken.
Hindi. Gusto ko talaga sa babae yung rockstar tapos ano.
Rockstar.
Hindi naman ako.
Dark makeup. Goth. That is goth. It's just dark makeup.
Tin, remove the brush real quick.
That's not goth. I like it when it's not obvious that there's makeup. That's why I like natural beauty. If you put makeup, just make sure it's not cake. Yeah.
Sorry, I'll move that.
I've dated a couple girls where it's like, man, they put like 5 pounds of makeup on.
Sleep soon?
Ako?
Me? No, I
No,
don't
I
want to
think
take off my
I think-
makeup. Really?
Yeah. That was tanghali.
Oh yeah, there's
That's what I
dinner.
said?
Oh yeah.
So we can make that lame rice thing for dinner.
What happened to hash browns?
Nothing! Nothing! It's not sticky because there's no flour. We can.
Just fry the potatoes in.
That's what I
And
said.
it's not crispy because there's no oil.
It doesn't matter. Just
But it tastes good. It's just not
It does taste
it's a
good.
waste of food.
Yeah, let's just not add rice so it
No,
tastes good.
let's add this much potato and this much rice.
Yeah, we're thinking about adding rice in. So
Whatever. Just cook it.
No, I'm gonna cook it. Let me cook it. I'm gonna cook it.
You're gonna okay. Hey, you better ask Mama Luz.
Mama Luz, I'm cooking the potato thing, okay? With the leftover rice. Is that okay? Thanks, Mama Luz.